One house damaged in elephant attack in Bormanti. Good morning to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live English Primetime News. I'm Jirbon Kilingpi with the latest news for this morning. And now the news in detail. In the latest incident of wild elephants attack, one house was damaged in Bormanti village under the East Division Bokajan Forest Range and falling under the Bokajan Police Station. Here's a report. The incident took place at midnight on Saturday. The house which was damaged belonged to one Biswanath Basumatari. Several properties including table, bed, almirah, cooking utensils and rice which was stocked inside the house have been damaged. Luckily, all the family members of the house managed to escape without any injury. Meanwhile, the Bokajan Forest Range officials were informed of the incident and reached the spot for verification. According to Biswanath Basumatari, whose house was damaged, the elephants did not move when the villagers tried to scare them off. Further, he told Karbi Anglong Live that while elephants roam around the village every night and therefore they are feeling insecure and have urged upon the concerned department to take measures to stop such attack and prevent threats to lives and properties of the villagers of the area.
Hati aise na? Kiman rati?
12টা সাড়ে 12টা হ'ব নেকি
কেইটামান আহিছিলে চাৰিটা আপোনালোকৰ ঘৰৰ কি বস্তু নষ্ট হৈছে
সুকেছ আৰু বেৰা
চেৰা চাউল কাপোৰ
তবে ইংনাৰ কে বাঙিলো ইংনাৰ সিদাং পাহিনো পিক লাপলো
জন কান বাঙিনাৰ বাঙিলা
জন কি
lason wang werite maso hawar malong
baik be
kopipi lo nang litum hempen kena hok dun kente
lal mari lo phole sang ta vek lap lo phole pokok ta pahino lap lo
da kopuson sinang litum kente cepa jok iklo
lapula pong nang ki pung pen bangai ni litum maniak afiar julong lok lom mati mat ka dik tui ja lok putwar na thusi
Anand Terang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. Come one, come all to the third Inter-Church Football Tournament Come Awareness Program on Addiction and Human Trafficking, organized by Community Health and Development Program, Baptist Christian Hospital, Tejpur, a unit of Emmanuel Hospital Association, New Delhi, in collaboration with AKBCLFYD for both women and men. Registration starts from September 1 to September 20, 2021 at Atpotaro Playground, Dongmukak. For more detail, contact 8638 398 440. Tokolangso Murphuluni Forest Account Bid Office under the Northern Silonijan Forest Range located near Golaghat district inside the 25 Nilip MEC constituency is functioning without basic needs, infrastructure and weapons for defense. Here's a report. While interacting with the forest officer during its visit to the Murphuluni Forest Account Bid Office, Deputy Ranger Sarthetiso stated that there is no ring well, signboard, boundary wall, weapons and vehicle for patrolling and therefore they themselves do not have anything to say for protect themselves from any dangers. Further, he informed that he and another contractual staff, only 2 of them is posted and are carrying out departmental duties there. Murphuluni Forest Bid Account Office is only few feet away from Golaghat district and Number Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary and therefore strategically is a very important point of Karbi Anglong district. The forest official also told Karbi Anglong Live that they have not received their salaries since the past 4 years including arrear and therefore they are financially, physically and mentally under immense stress and crisis. The Deputy Ranger has urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to appoint permanent forest guards and officers for Murphuluni Forest Bid Account Office from the existing forest force station at different ranges in the greater protection and security of the forest, wild animals and territory of the hill districts. More importantly, the Deputy Ranger has also urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang, Northern Silonijan Forest Range ACF Pranap Teron and KAC Forest Board Chairman Richard Togbi to provide basic needs, facilities and infrastructure for Murphuluni Forest Bid Account Office for its security, smooth and effective functioning.
Dake Murphuluni Sabbit Forest Sabbit
nang limen ke sonne
nilimen ke Sarthetiso
nang li PR pulo dak
nili ke arpu ke dake beat officer lo seta nili rank ke deputy ranger
nang tin stabang ando da
dak nili tumi staff ene ke bang kodo seta non ke do lor ke bahani velo bang thoma bang ke ave present je asin nili pe ni report pe de tok lo range officer long pali lo hai staff ka be join neta
te nangli tum security bang ando da
security avelo
security ta be
ave
te nangli tum hatiar amukha doma be
avelo hatiar
Hatiar ta
ka
ave.
ave nili tum long ke
tiar ta be te nang tum dak kido ke thak aboha bang ko son son na tum
kedo ke tha ka boha ke non nangli tum the kang long lo kosona condition ma pe nili tum daga kisung ke men ke lang ke jun siksak pi lang roi lang chusok dam lo ruisi ke lang roi ta barikha lang te chiholu la pen ke ter pe ne la ya pe ma sini tum ke no chusok de si da gulaga du si alu ya la tum long si ring long si nili tum hajira chotoy toy si lang pa sok sok bang pan chotoy si ijo da do ko wangi ma ani sidam pa ani siamat wangi ti an dakima thani le ta office dak do ni tum nong nam chotang det ni tum sarkar pe na kitang de pusini ni ke kaita office apang ke chima tha e sana non ke nili tum phananga ma tha ba wida asin ning ke oi ke la han nili tum ma mena wida ma alam se chima tha song long ta council long ta me nili tum department long se ta me nili son ke na chini na ko chepadu ko oso mapu hende no ta lang tan nang chibisar nang ko sono ma mesen ma sono di ma ko sono ke do ke tha ke cho ke jon long ma ko lai ban ko ni kan phanta na ma tha che ta son te ni te ningarong
Samson Inkis report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. Under the initiative of the Singhasan constituency BJYM, the second Inter-MSC Cup football tournament was inaugurated on Friday at Disobai Langbirik LP School playground. Here's a report. The inauguration program was attended by KACM Amor Singh Tissou as a chief guest. Others dignitaries present were KAC Secretary Nirola Phangchopi, VDC Chairman Ken Singh Bey, Singhasan Constituency BJYM President Agustin Togbi, General Secretary Mandal Teron, Duardisha Mojadar Doloi Terang, SGBs, GBs and several other leaders. On the opening day of the tournament, MAC 11 FC played against BJYM 11 FC, where the both teams scored 1 goal each to level the score in the first half. However, the BJYM 11 FC came back stronger in the second half and netted 3 more goals to win the match by 4-1. Talking to media persons, EM Amar Singh Tissou said that altogether 29 teams are participating in the tournament. He also said that no team will be allowed to hire players from outside their area. This is because the initiative is taken to promote sports in the locality.
Ilitum CM sa sport culture abang jasemet peda bangke pangtang ponai ate ilitum aja rakam klemi damji puseme oga pranjam te meme lutan ta jata klem pon pamika thek dedi tikuk pon dedi pusia konsensi tin sitame 10 kuti studio mabang nang kimpil la pen Singhason na konsensita hatiani lomni da long se salam ponno lata mochi klolo nante ilitum ingku ponlong po la pen aja penete CM sa kaboria bangke je a konsensi tinta abu tin pen bol kapatu binai la pen de lo tante ako a konsensi tin bense bol ka pathu ta bipo tuning tangai litum na pathu dun long lo matiti
Sarpang Ring Tikathar from Langhin for Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.